Results Setup. Configure Exams Assist. Prior to importing results into Exams Assist, there are a number of settings that the center should review and confirm. The settings within Configure Exams Assist are global settings and will apply across all active seasons within Exams Assist. Season-specific results settings can be found by navigating to Edit Season and selecting the Results tab. In this video we will focus on the settings available to the center in Configure Exams Assist. To review the result settings, navigate to the Overview tab and select Configure Exams Assist. Once selected, open the Results and Embargo tab. Within this tab, a number of important settings that can be configured. These include embargo periods, candidate access to results and statement of results options. This video will explain each setting in turn. Setting embargo dates. The first section allows the center to create one or more embargo periods by entering an embargo from date and time, together with an until date and time. By default, 2 rows are displayed ready for the center to populate, however additional rows can be added if required. For summer examinations, the center can select Add Standard JCQ Result Days, which will automatically populate the embargo dates based on the published A-Level and GCSE results days. To create an embargo, enter the date and time that the embargo should begin and the date and time that it should end. The until date and time controls when the embargo is lifted for both staff and candidates. However, if staff require earlier access to results, a separate date and time can be entered within the staff until column. For example, the center may wish the teaching staff to access results at 8 a.m., whilst candidates are unable to access them until 10 a.m. While an embargo is active, only users with Exams Officer or SMT access rights will be able to view examination results stored within Exams Assist. All other staff and candidates will be restricted from accessing results until the embargo period has ended. Centers can also configure an embargo message, which will be displayed while the embargo is active. This can be used to inform users when results will become available or provide any additional instructions. Candidate access to results. The next section controls how candidates can access and view their results. There are 2 available options. Students can see results in portal when they log in and students can see results from the link in an email. The first option allows candidates to log into the candidate portal and view their results. The second option allows candidates to access their results directly from a secure link contained within an email. This means candidates can view their results without needing to log into Exams Assist. Centers can enable either option independently or enable both, giving candidates multiple ways to access their results. Results message. The center can also configure a message that will be displayed to candidates when viewing their results. This can be used to provide information regarding inquiries about results, access to scripts, certificate collection, or any other important information. This message will be visible to candidates regardless of whether an embargo is currently active. Hiding previous results. When viewing results, the center may decide that previous examination seasons should not be visible to candidates. To prevent older results from appearing, select the appropriate season from the Hide Results in Portal email link with a series date before drop-down menu. For example, if June 2026 is selected, any results from seasons prior to June 2026 will be hidden from candidates. This can be useful where centers only wish candidates to focus on their current examination results and avoid confusion caused by historic data. Results Footer Message. The Results Footer message allows the center to display a message at the bottom of the statement of results. This footer will appear both within the portal and on the printable version of the results statement. Parent consent. The final option allows the center to enable admins can consent to sharing results with parent on behalf of the student. Normally, candidates are responsible for providing consent before their parents can view their results through the portal. However, there may be circumstances where the candidate is unavailable, has left the center or is unable to provide consent. When this option is enabled, users with admin access to school workspace can provide consent on the candidate's behalf where appropriate.